Hey guys, I hope you're well. Man, I don't know what just happened. The first time I've turned my laptop on in a week at the radio desk, right? Yeah, Blitzy, Lord knows your old daddy isn't very socially skilled. I'm just not.
Blitzy, Daddy's gotta go out to his happy place.
No, boys, I don't know what the hell just happened, man. I decided to catch up with some comments. The very first one. Well, you be the judge. You be the judge. I don't know what happened. I'm not very socially skilled. I don't know if I got my ass kicked or if I was played. Check it out, guys. You be the judge. Now, if I was played, Mr. John Doe's converted the thumbnail for this video into little more than clickbait. However, what you doing over there, boy? You never go over. Yeah, there's nothing in there for you, man. Huh. The world's coming unglued. If, however, Mr. John Doe stands by his comment, if it was not in jest, if it was serious, I stand by my thumb. I don't want to move on. There's something of value here at the dump, isn't there? I hope so. I don't know what to think. Come on, Blitty. Let's go look outside. It's raining. Thanks for watching. I don't know what the hell just happened, man. I'll catch you later. Take it easy.
Woohoo!